Hey little yogi, we're so happy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, more yoga. Today we'll stretch strong, happy. Grab your mat, big breath, and let's
Cat pose. Come onto all fours. Keep your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Inhale. Arch your back, lift your chest. Exhale. Round your spine, tuck your chin. Pull your navel in. Repeat slowly. Warrior 1, step 1 foot back, bend your front knee, raise your arms overhead, keep your hips facing forward, open your chest, look ahead with focus. Warrior 2s, step your feet wide apart. Bend your front knee, stretch your arms out to the sides, look over your front hand. Keep your body strong and steady. Mountain pose. Stand tall, keep your feet together, arms by your sides, lift your chest, reach your head upward, relax your shoulders, breathe deeply. Cobra pose. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders. Inhale. Press into your palms. Lift your chest up gently. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Relax your shoulders. Hero pose. Kneel down, keep your knees close, feet slightly apart. Sit back on your heels, keep your spine straight, rest your hands on your thighs, focus on your breath. Candle pose. Lie on your back, keep your arms beside you. Inhale, lift your legs up. Now raise your hips, support your lower back with your hands, extend your legs upward. Hold and breathe. Child's pose. Kneel down on the mat. Sit back on your heels. Now fold forward. Rest your forehead on the mat. Stretch your arms forward or relax them beside you. Take deep, calm breaths. Tree pose, stand steady. Shift your weight onto one foot. Place the other foot on your leg. Bring your hands together at your chest or raise them overhead. Focus on one point. Hold your balance. Seated forward bend. Sit with your legs straight. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale. Slowly bend forward. Reach for your feet or your legs. Keep your back straight. Relax into the stretch. Bridge pose. Lie on your back, bend your knees, place your feet flat on the floor, press your feet down, lift your hips up, clasp your hands under your back, hold the position. Legs up the wall pose. Sit close to a wall. Lie back gently. Raise your legs up against the wall. Relax your arms by your sides. Close your eyes. Breathe slowly. Downward facing dog. Start in a tabletop position. Lift your hips up toward the sky. Form an upside down V shape. Keep your hands and feet grounded. Press your heels down. Lengthen your spine. Pigeon pose. Start on all fours. Bring one knee forward. Stretch the other leg back. Lower your hips down. Lean forward. Relax and breathe. Plank pose. Come into a push-up position. Keep your hands under your shoulders. Stretch your legs back. Keep your body in one straight line. Engage your core. Hold steady. Lion's pose, sit comfortably. Take a deep breath in. Now exhale. Open your mouth wide. Stick your tongue out. Roar like a lion. Release all tension.